Formal training is absolutely crucial for the theatre. There are no born actors. Acting is a craft that requires training and method.
As an actor, what riyaz do you do every day? Theatre really helps you to do that.
The Drama School Mumbai was built to fulfill a need, and it was built by people who had a certain level of capability.
We want to facilitate the actual act of learning that I can absorb from the way I look at things or the way I read and the way I articulate.
No other school in India has so many practitioners teaching.
It's a rigorous course. You start early morning and you finish in the evening.
If you want to be a doctor, you train. If you want to be a lawyer, you train. If you want to be an artist, you train. It is a craft, and the craft requires craftsmanship, and craftsmanship requires teaching and training, and there's no better way to do it than in a school.